Here's how to fix the cannot access shared folder error in Windows 10 or 11. Open Services, find Function Discovery Resource Publication. Double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start to make it running. Then click OK. Repeat the same process for SSDP Discovery and again for UPnP Device Host. Set each to Automatic and start them. Search for Manage Advanced Sharing Settings, expand Private Networks, and turn on Network Discovery, Automatic Setup of Network-Connected Devices, and File and Printer Sharing. Search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Scroll down to SMB 1.0/CIFS File Sharing Support, expand it, and check SMB 1.0/CIFS Client. Click OK and wait while Windows searches for and installs the required files. Once complete, click Restart Now, and the shared folder access issue should be resolved. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click